How to unpin a reel on Instagram. Now, let's say you have pinned a specific reel on your Instagram profile feed. However, you no longer want that specific reel to be on top of your profile feed. All you have to do to unpin that specific reel is to go to your profile icon right here. And now if you locate that specific reel, you will be able to see it on the topmost part of your profile feed. If you want to unpin it, all you have to do is to tap on that specific reel and click on the three dots on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, you will be given an option that says Unpin from Profile right here. Now, all you have to do is to click on Unpin from Profile right here. And if you go back to your reel right here and refresh it, you'll be able to see that the reel that you have pinned to your profile is no longer the uppermost part of your profile feed. So that's how to unpin a reel on Instagram. Hope we help.